Hello students, I hope in these corona days you are all happy at home and safe. So for the purpose of these leaves we are going to start a biology channel for the basic topics. Today we are going to learn about the topic that is known as IVF and surrogacy from the third chapter of the 10th standard. What is meant by IVF and surrogacy? First of all, I would like to tell you the long form of the IVF, that is in vitro fertilization. What is meant by in vitro? In vitro means outside the cell. In vitro means outside the cell, and in vivo means inside the cell. It is a modern fertilization techniques for the present day, which are the for the couples which are not having the child. What is meant by fertilization? Fertilization means what? Fertilization means a fusion of the male and female gamete, that is male sperm and female egg, that combines or fuses to form a particular egg, embryo, zygote. That process is known as the fertilization. This fertilization process occurs in our mother's uterus, but for those couples which are not having the child, a modern technology is carried out. It is known as the in vitro fertilization. What happens in this in vitro fertilization technique? In the in vitro fertilization technique, the couples or the married couple, that is male and female, are having some incapabilities that they cannot produce the child. For example, the womb or the uterus of that female is not properly maintained, is not properly balanced, the sperm of the male are not properly mature, or the fusion of the male and female gametes is not possible due to certain reasons. For that purpose, this technology is carried out. In this in vitro fertilization technique, there is an egg which is extracted from the uterus of the female, and the sperm which is extracted from the testis of the male, and these male sperm and these female egg are fused in a test tube into the laboratory with the help of a particular micro injection and a egg holder. You can see here, in this way this injection injects the egg and releases the sperm inside the ovum, that is inside the egg, and here in the test tube, in a proper condition, in a maintained balanced matter, the fusion is occurred and the zygote is formed, and then after this zygote is transferred to the woman's uterus on a proper day, maintaining the hormonal balance, and in this way this technique is carried out, and it is known as the in vitro fertilization technique. I repeat, this modern technology is carried out for the persons, for the male and female who are not having capability to produce a proper baby child. Then another topic related to the in vitro fertilization is known as the surrogacy. So friends, what is meant by surrogacy? Surrogacy is a process in which sperm and the egg of a couple are fused in a test tube and implanted in another woman's uterus or the womb, and that process is known as the surrogacy. I would like to tell you that there are some females who are not capable, which are not capable for holding a proper and healthy uterus. Because of that, the womb, that zygote, cannot be matured, cannot be grown into that particular woman's womb. So that in this process, if there is a married couple and they want a baby child, then the sperms and the egg from that couple are extracted, they are fused into the test tube and in the laboratory, and that zygote is transferred to the another healthy woman's uterus, and that woman is known as the surrogate mother. That woman is known as the surrogate mother. Means if a couple is not able to produce a healthy baby child because of their health issue, that couple can produce a baby of their own genes from another woman's uterus, and that woman is known as the surrogate mother. It means we can take a uterus, a womb of a particular woman on the rent, and that mother is known as the surrogate mother. Nowadays this technology is carried out on a great level in our India also. Many of the Bollywood stars are also got their babies from this surrogacy. So friends, this is the in vitro fertilization technique and the surrogacy. These are the modern fertilization techniques and extremely acceptable worldwide, and nowadays these practices are also carried out in the India. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this study.